The double-door swing-out refrigerator from the LG Diamond Collection showcases a new modern look and feel with an integrated handle design and LG's fingerprint-resistant black stainless steel finish. This refrigerator was designed to improve your kitchen experience. The door-and-door is a great place to store beverages and snacks and allows you to conveniently get in and out. Press the small button on the door to access the door-and-door. Located inside the door-and-door are flexible organization options for all of your storage needs. The adjustable moving basket can move up and down, and additional bins on the door means that no space is wasted. The shelves in your LG refrigerator are also adjustable. In addition, features such as the folding shelf help you to fit larger items more comfortably. Gently lift and slide back the shelf to create more space. Located near the bottom of your refrigerator are easy-to-reach compartments, perfect for storing small snacks such as fruit cups, string cheese, and other quick-to-grab items. You can easily access and find everything you need with LG's double freezer swing doors and pull-out drawers. Store accessible and sizable items in their proper place by utilizing the freezer shelves and removable bins. Your freezer's organizational layout can help prevent loss or unwanted food items from being tossed or forgotten. Whether you're looking for a glass of great tasting water or want to adjust your refrigerator settings to best cater to your household needs, you won't need to look far. Located on the left door is the ice and water dispenser alongside a full touch control panel. To learn more about your appliance or any LG product, be sure to visit our YouTube channel or our LG website, and we hope you enjoy your LG experience.